The VD70S Wireless OBD2 Scanner offers advanced diagnostic capabilities at a fraction of the cost of traditional factory scan tools, making it an excellent choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professional technicians. With its full bidirectional control, this scanner allows for precise vehicle module testing, enabling users to quickly locate and address faulty components like fuel pumps and injectors. Experience the freedom of wireless diagnostics with a stable transmission range of up to 66 feet, eliminating the need for cumbersome cables and enhancing workflow efficiency. Equipped with over 36 special functions, the VD70S scanner empowers users to perform essential maintenance tasks, saving time and money on shop fees. The scanner provides OE-level full system diagnostics, allowing users to access live data streams and perform active tests for comprehensive vehicle analysis. Supporting ECU coding and PMI functions, the VD70S is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, offering professional-grade diagnostics without the hefty price tag.